uh, when he said, people invaded his house, started shooting him with handicap. It was a similar story for me, because one Friday on December 10th, 2021, just while I was in my room, they did that. They invaded our house. I was living with my in-laws because my mother-in-law was sick, and we moved in to assist her. My wife was literally a full-time nurse at that time, and also managing our media company. And over 15 federal police officers invaded our house. One of them took my picture using handicam. I asked him, could I at least even wash my face? They didn't care. They took me, and with a different and many more forces, I was returned home. Took all the possible electronics, phones, iPads, everything, and they went to the studio and office. The studio was built by, our supporters. I was able to raise over $25,000 from all over the world, from Ethiopians who were willing to donate for our media. And they took everything. They cleaned us out. But that was not the major thing. After they took me, they said to the family, you can come to the federal police station in Addis, and then you can visit him there. You can bring him his medicine, his food. But when I got there, they took me to a different place. And they took me to a military black site. They didn't tell my family where I was. For 7 days, the family did not know where I was. They don't know whether I was alive, I was dead, or even where I was. And that was very tough for my family.
Yeah, that would be terrible.
I didn't know how tough it was when I was in prison. When I came out, it was difficult. And after the 7 day, I appeared at the court, and it was very much thanks to the.
It's okay.
It's the first time I'm speaking that. Man, I'm weak.
Thank you for sharing your story. You don't have to say anything. You don't want to. But
The thing is, being a journalist, being an activist, you don't know what you put your family through.
Yeah. It's true.
And I appeared in court.
Thank you.
And after appearing to the court, I was transferred from a black site to a normal police station. It's then that I learned how much campaign was going on, how much people have spoken. I thought I was forgotten.
Never forgotten. Yes.
And I'm sorry.
No, please.
And in the police station, we started going to the courts again. The investigations continued. The interrogations continued. It was thank God I was not tortured, but I met a lot of people that were tortured.